Hi. You need to set your goals. As has been said, you can't hit a target you don't have. And they're correct. You can't. So to that end, we've worked around the SMART goal system and I think made a cutting edge creative program that's workable and you can start it. I'd like you to dive into it, and there's an instruction sheet to go through it just down there. I want you to do it, and do it initially, and maybe every quarter or every 6 months, I need you to revise it. Because as you grow in this process, so the step-by-step process of learning how to become a real estate investor, how to do all those exit strategies and choose the ones that are right for you, and find these off-market properties and start executing on that, then you're going to grow. And you may change your objectives. You may say, well, I'll go beyond that. Or I'll go beyond that. So I want you to do that. So periodically, it's adjustable. You can change it anytime you want to. So update it based on your reality of what your growth has been along this process of becoming an enlightened, informed real estate investor, working toward your goal of having passive income, time freedom, and the life of your dreams. All through not having to compete with all those MLS listings, with the off-market property system from the $1 trillion opportunity I'm going to share with you in a step-by-step process. Enjoy.